Meaning of hobnail boot.
Hobnail boot.
Hobnail boot.
Hobnail boot.
Hobnail boot. A hobnail boot is a type of work boot or hiking boot equipped with hobnails, which are small metal studs or nails that protrude from the sole and provide better traction on rough or slippery surfaces. The term hobnail refers to the type of nail used, which is typically short and stubby with a wide head. These boots were commonly worn by soldiers, miners, and laborers in the past, but have since become more of a fashion statement than a practical work shoe. They are still popular among hikers and outdoor enthusiasts who value their durability and grip.